Hello and welcome to Electronica Sovietica. Today I'm showing you the Mikrolab KR580IK80. As with the previous machine I showed, this is a functional copy of an American machine, the Hewlett Packard 5036A Microprocessor Lab. And it's functionally very similar, although this machine uses a clone of an Intel 8080 rather than an Intel 8085 as the Hewlett Packard machine did. You can see the main features of the machine from this distance. So there's a hexadecimal keypad for entering data. This is just for setting addresses and saying if you're writing or whatever you're doing with the code. There are 3 switches here which you can use for input-output, 8 LEDs. At the moment they're running a Fibonacci sequence program, the ends of some very big numbers. It's been running for a while. There are 8 7-segment displays. And the other things are marked clearly on the board, obviously in Russian, so I'll translate them here. So we have the address bus here at the top. Here is the clock. Here's a microprocessor. As I said, it's a clone of the Intel 8080. Here is the RAM. There's 1 kilobyte of RAM. The ROM is interesting because there's 1 kilobyte of ROM here, but there's also half a kilobyte of ROM here, which is actually removable. So in theory, you could burn your own programs and put them into there. There's a little handle to release the chip there. At the moment, that has a song on it, which I can play at the end of the video. Then there's the data bus here and the input-output things down here. Also, there's a piezoelectric beeper and a volume control there. So that is a very brief overview of this machine. I do hope to make other videos in future. I'll just show you now. So now I've switched the program off. You can see the display there. And if we go to the back here, there's a rather nice summary of 8080 machine code. And there's even a little demo program. So if you follow the instructions here, if we go to address number 300 and then we press run, we will get the promised song. So yes, the machine is from the 1980s. I'm not sure exactly when my machine was made, but they were made around 1986, 88. And I picked mine up in a village near Almaty, Kazakhstan about 6 or 7 years ago. I also don't know what that song is. If there's a bonus question, if anyone knows what that song is, please tell me. My local wife also doesn't know. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to do more videos about this machine in the near future.